goodness.
Ta-da!
Oh, she's beautiful though. She's so beautiful.
Check with a cutthroat razor, and I would listen to Erasure. Yeah, I think I'll sail the 7 seas, because the sea is the place for me. I would shout land ahoy, cause I'm the sailor boy, and drink rum all night, cause I'm living the pirate life.
Okay, today we're attempting to have our engine fixed again. So this is the brain of Papageno. The beautiful brain.
Beautiful, no?
What we got to do today, Edward?
We will try to change the cylinder head gasket.
I'm hoping that we've actually got the part that's arrived today.
We will open everything, and if it's not here, we wait. But if it's here, we might finish today.
Oh my god! That'd be incredible.
Yes,
we could leave tomorrow.
Yes, Lizzie.
Oh my gosh. What do you think about that, Leela?
I'm going to sniff everything inside to make sure it's okay.
Okay, you carry on with that. So, and then if this gets fixed today, that means preparing Papageno to leave, checking out the weather, doing our provisioning.
The weather is good.
The weather, they've had no wind whatsoever the past 5 days. And we can get to Guadeloupe ASAP! How do you feel about that, Edward? Go somewhere French.
I want the engine to be fixed to pronounce my words. I'm wise now. I want to be bad luck.
Okay, well.
Don't sell the bear before to. Don't sell his skin before to kill it.
Don't sell the bear skin before you've killed the bear.
Non, c'est ne pas vendre la peau de l'ours avant de l'avoir tué.
No, bloody French. Back to road. Back to road.
No, but I want to wash my hands, but I can't.
Why don't you do it in the bathroom then?
Because I will touch the psh psh and I will. Commence pas, hein? I will send you back to England. You will see. Go back to see the Queen now.
Do you want the tap on?
The Frenchman can't even wash his own hands. He has to be assisted by his carer, Liz. A day in the life of Papageno.
When you wash your hands,
good job.
Stick them under the tap. Filthy. Come here, at it road.
Santa Claus brought us!
The new head gasket.
Woohoo!
And it's exactly the same, so.
But you did tell us it wasn't the same, didn't you?
Because I wasn't sure, but I'm
because
sure now.
it was because he put it this way and he was like, oh, it's not the right one. And we were like,
I said, oh, fuck. And after I said, yes. This is the good one.
so what happens in the airport?
So we went to FedEx, and it cost us just $100 with the fees and everything. And after the customs wanted me to pay, but our friend and godfather Jonathan said, no, they are tourists, blah blah blah. They don't have to pay. Call your boss, blah blah blah. The boss came, and the boss said, ah yeah, no, they don't have to pay. They don't pay.
We love you, Jonathan!
So yeah, I will go to see our mechanic.
I can't believe it, we're going to get the engine fixed again.
No.
We're gonna
This
get
is the old one, the new one.
Isn't she beautiful?
I will see vibration.
Say hi to Vibration for us.
Yes.
Vibration.
Where's Daddy going?
Are you happy, Leela? Are you happy? Ooh, that's a very big mouth you have. Sing us a song, Liz.
Sing me a song of tea and glory. Sing me a song of Malalory. Is that a place I've ever been? No, but one day have seen Mallory.
That was absolutely moving. I want to go to Mallory.
I want to go Mallory. Did it have biscuits?
Palm trees, you monkeys.
Palm trees.
Wet paint, what does that mean?
If you touch it, you'll get paint on your clothes.
And we were like, God, Edward, we're not stupid, but let me show you Exhibit A. B. Where's your other one? You've got one more, haven't you? Oh, yeah. C. And Laura didn't get any on her. What did you just do, Elizabeth?
You bloody did it again. This fucker. Excuse my French.
You're ruining the paint
I
job.
am ruining the paint job. It just.
Should we have a look at the new edition? Let's have a look at Elizabeth's mistake number 4. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous.
Is it bad?
It looks like you've got grey streaks.
I feel like a badger.
How many more times do you think we're going to do it, ladies and gentlemen? I don't have to tell him, and there's bloody evidence all over your pet.
Looking at me.
Lila! It's because I put the eye drops in.
Look how lovely her eyes are now.
Oh, stop talking about me like that, guys. I know I'm beautiful. Sadie found a boyfriend, didn't she?
What's her name?
Oh my god!
What are you doing, Lizzie?
Finishing the latest Papageno episode diary thing. So we release one every Saturday, and it takes a long time. So when people think I'm not working, it's because I'm working.
D'accord. And Laura is working too. Oh la 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 la! She's sending the wrong side, but it's okay.
I'm sending this side.
As you can see, Laura knows how to work. One hand sending by Laura.
Think of something that makes you happy.
Donkeys running through meadows with croissants on their back.
I prefer planche. Definitely.
Just anything to make you smile that looks real. Because when you smile, you still look grumpy.
I'm smiling now.
What are you thinking of now?
Of somebody smiling. Is that long enough?
That's what she said.
I don't think so, Edward.
But try on it.
Happiness is better when it's shared.
All the shit we put, the project we do only shitty job, but as we assume, it becomes like an artistic choice. Artistic.
If you could describe the Papageno project in 3 words, what would those words be?
3 words. Not sentence, words.
No, words.
What would your 3 words be, Liz?
Never give up.
I will write toute erreur assumée devient un choix artistique.
You write it in English so we can understand.
No. It's out of order. I make the effort every single day to speak the bloody English. And you don't make any effort.
Excusez-moi, excusez-moi, monsieur. Je ne parle pas français pour le moment.
Just remember that I'm in charge of bloopers, so I can put up whatever review that I can.
Yeah, but I don't care because the people prefer me than you.
Ding, ding, ding. Round 2. In Elizabeth's corner.
Round 275.
I'm better than this. I'm gonna rise above this bloody Frenchman. Napoleon.
So,
Excuse me, what are you doing?
I will send it.
Why? Was my sounding not good enough?
No, it was just for you to laugh. No, I will. No, it's just what I wrote.
This is how a real man stands.
Just because I wrote something and I changed.
You made a mistake. Edward, did you make a mistake?
But every mistake that you
Did you make a mistake?
become an artistic choice, and it's exactly what I read.
So why did you sand it off if it was an artistic choice? You sound just like Whoopi Goldberg when you do that.
Laura will put it on the wall. That will be a great moment. I want to watch that.
What have you done, Edward?
What have you done, love?
Bonjour. I wrote something on the board. I wrote with a marker.
And what did you write?
I don't speak French.
Tout heureux assume déviant un choix artistique.
That's right.
How's the pronunciation?
Toute erreur assumée devient un choix artistique.
And what does it mean?
But you know, Lizzie, I told you.
Would you like to tell everyone else who's watching who doesn't speak an extra language?
If they are on Google, they can type that on Google and they will know.
You're so...
I just want to erase that. Erase.
Or if you have some...
little smug face.
Open your mouth, Edward. Open it. Get his little nipple.
And now?
Come back. We're trying
Laura,
to
We haven't finished with you.
We're trying to sexually abuse you by this camera. Come on,
We go
step forward.
No! Here.
Yeah. Whoop, whoop!
Glistening. That's what women do, glisten.
Luckily, they can't smell my armpits in the video.
Stink.
It's awful.
Unfortunately, we can.
Yeah.
Okay.
I will help you because I'm a good person. Ay.
Bloody hell, I'm so hot.
Yeah, you are.
2 hours.
Probably after I've screwed this nut on.
Screw it real good, Liz.
Jesus.
Good.
Well done, Lizzie. Well done, Laura.
Anytime, pal. What game are we playing, Edward?
It's called the Caps.
Ah!
Lizzie.
Pass it to the queen.
No, I played.
The queen of the cap.
Destroy him, Laura. Destroy him. Get him! Get him! Break it!
I'm the queen of the caps. This is Sadie's boyfriend.
Sadie, what's wrong with you?
It's because my good friend Emily Ferguson, her dog's called Sadie. Come on, knock it off, Frenchie. Knock it off.
The problem is that I'm better with the pressure.
Knock it off, Frenchie.
Knock it off, Frenchie!
Knock it off.
Frenchie! Yeah!
I was just thirsty.
Coconut mongrel.
Hello, Layla. I know you don't want to play with me today, but I still think of you all the time.
No, Cooper, I'm not interested in you anymore. You sniffed me way too many times.
I come to you. I'm gonna come.
Hey, Cooper.
No need to be afraid. I'll take care of you.
Don't know why he's French all of a sudden.
Hello, Cooper. Okay, Cooper, I want to make it work just one more time. You gotta be gentle with me.
Don't you worry, love. You're in good paws with me.
I think you're playing at. Bloody at him, Laura.
I'm
bloody showed you.
I'm the cameraman.
It's okay. I'm sorry.
My finger's so blurry. Oh. Yeah.
So Laura, what are you doing?
I'm being a woman and I'm doing some screwing.